Hello friends, welcome to our 7th online session in chemistry. In today's session, we will see sulfuric acid. The molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. It is a colorless, odorless, oily liquid. It is very corrosive in nature. It is also called as oil of vitriol. It is known as king of chemical because it has a wide applications in every industry. That's why it is called as king of chemicals. Most of the chemicals are manufactured with the help of sulfuric acid. That's why this is called as king of chemicals. The structure of sulfuric acid is given here. The S double bond O bond length is about 142.2 picometer, while the S-O single bond length is a 157.4 picometer. The O-H bond length in sulfuric acid is a 97 picometer. You can see the structure of sulfuric acid. Then how it is prepared? Sulfuric acid is prepared by contact process, which involves 3 steps. First step is preparation of sulfur dioxide gas. Then second step is the conversion of the sulfur dioxide gas into sulfur trioxide. Then third step is the dissolution of sulfur trioxide or conversion of the sulfur trioxide form into concentrated sulfuric acid. These are the 3 steps are involved in a contact process for manufacturing of sulfuric acid. We can see these 3 steps. First step is preparation of sulfur dioxide. Here sulfur dioxide is prepared by burning of sulfur in presence of excess of air. Here the sulfur can burn into air to produce a sulfur dioxide gas. You can see this reaction. Then next is step second is preparation of sulfur trioxide. This sulfur dioxide is oxidized to sulfur trioxide in presence of vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst. This reaction is carried out at 400 to 450 degrees Celsius and at the pressure of 1 to 2 atmosphere. You can see this reaction. This sulfur dioxide is oxidized into sulfur trioxide in presence of catalyst vanadium pentoxide V2O5. This reaction is an exothermic reaction and reversible reaction. Large amount of heat is evolved during this reaction. Then step third is preparation of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here there is the dissolution of sulfur trioxide into 98% of sulfuric acid to obtain oleum, that is H2SO7 or fuming sulfuric acid. This sulfur trioxide formed in second step is react with concentrated sulfuric acid. This sulfur trioxide cannot be dissolved directly into water because it leads to the formation of foam. Then the product form is called as oleum. Then this oleum is dissolved into water or diluted with water to form concentrated sulfuric acid. Here the reaction is given. Concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with this sulfur trioxide gas, which is formed in the second step. Then oleum is formed, H2SO7. Then this oleum is diluted with water to form concentrated sulfuric acid. Here in this process, contact process, the sulfuric acid obtained is about 96 to 98% pure. These are the 3 steps involved in the formation of sulfuric acid by contact process. This is the flow diagram of contact process is given here. Then next to this is physical properties of sulfuric acid. Here first property is this sulfuric acid is a thick, colorless and oily fluid. Then second is it has a specific gravity of 1.84 grams per cm cube at 298 Kelvin. The boiling point of this acid is 611 Kelvin. The higher boiling point and thickness of this acid due to the hydrogen bonding. There is the strong hydrogen bonding is present between sulfuric acid, molecules of sulfuric acid. Then it is a highly corrosive, means when it is poured on skin, then it causes damage to living tissues. It is highly corrosive and produces severe burns on skin. This strong chemical reacts with water, releasing quite a lot amount of it. Therefore, it must never add to water to H2SO4. Instead, you should add the acid to water slowly with a proper stirring. These are the some physical properties of sulfuric. Then next to this is chemical properties of sulfuric acid. First we see acidic properties. In aqueous solutions, sulfuric acid ionizes into two steps. In first step, this H2SO4 plus water molecule to form H3O plus ion, which is a hydronium ion, plus HSO4 minus ion, hydrogen sulfate ion. The Ka1 is a very large for this reaction, which is greater than 10. Then in second step, this hydrogen sulfate ion HSO4 minus ion reacts with another molecule of water to form hydronium ion plus sulfate ions, SO4 2 minus ions. The Ka2 is a greater than 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 2. The larger the value of this Ka indicates that this acid is a stronger acid because it dissociates in a strong amount into H plus and HSO4 minus ions in aqueous solutions. Then next to this is reactions with metals and non-metals, that is the oxidizing properties. Here this concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with a metal like copper to form copper sulfate plus sulfur dioxide plus water molecules are produced here. Then non-metal like a sulfur reacts with this sulfuric acid to form sulfur dioxide and water molecules. Then carbon reacts with sulfuric acid, twice H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid. Then carbon dioxide is produced, sulfur dioxide is produced and water molecules are produced. These are the sum of the oxidizing properties of this sulfuric acid. It oxidizes to metals and non-metals. Then next to this is dehydrating property. Dehydrating, D means removal and hydra means water molecules. There is the removal of water molecule. This is known as dehydrating or dehydration. This sulfuric acid acts as a strong dehydrating agent. This sulfuric acid removes water from sugar and carbohydrates. This carbon left after this is called as sugar charcoal, and this process is removal of water from the sugar is called as chairing process. Here the reaction is given C12H22O11. This is a sugar molecule. This reacts with this sulfuric acid to form carbon, 12 carbon atoms, and there are 11 water molecules are removed from this sugar. This process is called as chairing process. Then reaction with salt. This concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with calcium fluoride here to give calcium sulfate plus twice HF is produced. Then next reaction is reaction with sodium chloride, another salt. Here the sulfuric acid reacts with this NaCl to form sodium hydrogen sulfate and HCl is produced. Then next to this is uses of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a very important industrial chemical. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, that is ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, etc. Second use of sulfuric acid is in the manufacture of pigments, paints and dyestuff intermediates. Then it is used in petroleum refining and also in the detergent industry. It having a wide application in metallurgical industries, for example cleansing of metals, electroplating and galvanizing. Then it is used in a storage batteries. It is also used as a laboratory reagent. These are some of the uses of sulfuric acid.